Hey everybody, it's Mary Negron with Mary Negron School of Nails, and I am back today with another unboxing. Look what I got. Chaun Legends Holiday Collection. I have not even opened this yet, and I cannot wait to share these swatches with you. Okay, so let's see what we have here. Paper. I was trying to keep it. Okay, let's see. This is so nice. I love the packaging. I'm a sucker for packaging. Let's see. Okay. Oh, all these pretty colors. This one is called Under the Mistletoe. It is a glitter. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is so pretty. This is so pretty. The bottle is gorgeous. And I will say that Chaun Legends polishes have not disappointed me yet. That is so pretty. Look at that. Great coverage. I like the fact that I usually don't go for glitters, but I like the fact that this one has good coverage. Oh my God. That is so pretty. That green is green. The next color is Ho Ho Hot. All right. Ooh. I love a one coat polish, y'all. A one coater. Ooh, this is pretty. That red is red. That is your Christmas red right there. This next one is called Slay My Bells. Oh, yes. Yes, for the red glitter. Gorgeous. What do y'all think so far of this collection? Is it giving Christmas? Is it giving holiday? Ooh. The next one is called Kiss My Cheeks. It is kind of a pinky red. If you can see the difference. I like this pink. It's kind of, it's in between hot pink and so smooth. The application is awesome. Seriously. This one is called Ruby Riches. Ooh, this one's like a berry color. I don't know. Is that it's like a Christmas color? It's a Christmas color. I don't know. Do that one second coat of that one. Frosted Pink Teeny. Okay, y'all see this color? Look at this color. Oh my God. Look how pretty that is. Ugh. Okay, let's swatch it. I haven't seen a color like this in a while. I've had colors similar, but this one is gorgeous. Look at that. Let's do our second coat here. I want to put this on all of my nails. Yep, I want to do all of my nails with this color. And my toes. Okay, this one's called She Dusty. Second coat. Oh, this is very creamy. Okay. Oh, and the coverage. One coat. Look how, and this is on a clear swatch. This one is called Cold Cash. Blue? A blue called, oh, Cold Cash. Okay. Ooh. The coverage is superb. Let's see. Second coat. So this one is called Sage My Name. Okay, Sage My Name. This one's more like a minty green, not minty green, like a thyme green, sage color green. I'm talking about the one coat coverage is ridiculous. Under the Mistletoe and Slay My Bells. Dollar Dollar Green. Frosted Pink Teeny. Ho Ho Hot. Ruby Riches. Kiss My Cheeks. She Dusty. It's the names for me. Sage My Name. Cold Cash. Cold Cash. Cold Cash. So that is the Christmas holiday collection lineup.